Portable small air conditioner, not just a small air conditioner. All-in-one combination of cooling air conditioner, desk fan, air humidifier and LED night light. Wonido Personal Air Conditioner is a small but powerful USB personal evaporative cooler with rapid cooling feature. It chills and cleans the air around you by removing dust, lowering the temperature and adding moisture to the air to help prevent your skin, eyes, and nose from drying out. Fast cooling effect. Wonido Portable Evaporative Cooler has 3 levels: wind speeds, high, medium and low, with 90 degrees adjustable blowing direction to choose, plus dual misting modes for a nano ice mist spray would rapidly drop temperature around you for 6-10 degrees Fahrenheit within 15s. And saves at least 30% of electricity compared to traditional Freon air conditioner. Upgraded detachable tank. Unlike the build-in structure as many other fan air conditioner in the market, this stylish upgraded portable AC air conditioner has innovation: 2 pieces design with a 600 megaliters visible and independent large water tank. Gives you no worrying about leaning or leaking water into the machine, easy cleaning and refilling, safe for long time use. Compact and elegant design. The ideal size of this USB mini air conditioner is 5.1 by 5.5 by 8.9 inches and weighs only 2 pounds. Easy to carry. The small air conditioner can be used in combination with adapters, mobile power supplies, computers, car chargers, etc. Energy efficient and healthy. This small AC unit does not contain ozone refrigerant, nor does it use a compressor like a conventional power-consuming air conditioner. With high efficiency at low power of 9W, it saves at least 30% of electricity bills and does no harm to the environment. It blows out cold air through water evaporation, which feels really refreshing, instead of circulating warm air like a regular fan. Wonido Portable Air Conditioner Fan, Mini AC Unit. Portable for room. 4-in-1 evaporative air cooler with humidifier, 3 speeds, 7 colors. Night light, desktop swamp cooler for small room. Get a great offer on this product with the link in the description.